Stephen Moss for Old Mill Bottom Road. Thursday evening, December the 12th. 13 days till Christmas. Actually, 13th. Today's the 13th. 12 days to Christmas. Got the eastbound coal struggling up the grade. It's like someone's on the side. They, I think, struggling with it. The Max, the third engine. Got a fouled horn. Offline. That's why it's struggling up the grade. The Gevos are struggling. I thought it sounded like it was offline when I went by my place, but it's a nice shiny engine. That's why you put 5 engines on these trains. That way if one goes down, you still can soldier through, but potentially. But when you only have 4, one goes down or stumbles, you're done. You gotta wait for help to come. That new graffiti. Crawl along at really slow pace. Got an old 3-bay hopper built in '79. That's all order made. We don't like the Steelers. This is Ravens turf. Probably barely 5 miles an hour crossing this ridge. Definitely not 10. Or it seems under 10. Crawling along. Hey, peeling off those. Some of these hopper cars. Here are the DPUs, so it's gonna start picking up speed here as it crosses the ridge. Clunk, clunk. Oh wow, you can that bearing is definitely off because you can see it moving on there. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but I could see it with my eye. Another 3-bay hopper. That one's got tag though. Unfortunate. A lot of those used to be nice and clean, but got a bunch of people wasting paint on them. Trespassing when they do. Here comes the day of pay you. And another 3-bay hopper. Wide open and naughty. Throwing the hammer down. CM44AC. Number 82. CW 44AC. Not as many of the CWs roaming the rails. Both of them thundering along. Waiting for it to start picking up a little bit of pace here. Especially once the DPUs cross grade, it should be a little bit easier towing it. Because the lead head end of the train's already on the other side of the ridge, or just on the other side of the tunnel. And then it's downhill to Curtis Bay. Gonna be chilly out tonight. Started below freezing. A little bit of wind. It wasn't moving. Almost like it's slowing up again. Thought it should be picking up, not slowing down. Train's over halfway past, so of course it could be backing off a little bit because you don't want to get too much speed going down the other side towards Woodbine, because you have to slow it back down when they get to Sykesville anyway. So they're down a locomotive, that means one less dynamic brake. And the advantage of the diesel electric is you can rev up and dynamic brake, where they're essentially reversing the polarity, so they're means they're going forward or putting brake force on it, kind of like a dyno. Slow it down without using the air brakes. Save the brakes on the cars. Pokey, pokey, slow. Clunk, clunk, clunk. It's unfortunate the Mac was offline, because it's always nice hearing that in Notch 8. It's picking up steam. And that tire roll out. Something happened earlier, but green tubby, blue tubby. He's still climbing high up one of them things. It's 15 feet in the air. Top of them cars. Wow, somebody's got some dragging bearings or brakes. Clunk, 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 clunk. The end of the train, Freddie flashing away. David Moss. You have a great weekend. Christmas is only a couple weeks away.